Okay, Duster fans, man, look how crazy that paint looks in the late afternoon sun. Yep, vitamin C orange, EK2 for 70, or K2 rather. Vitamin C orange, that's a high impact extra charge paint. This is a 4-speed with air, factory air setup. Boy, is this car nice. All the bright metal, everything has really been addressed, as well as underneath. The underside is very pretty, very nicely done. It was intended from Chrysler. Got the vent wings in the back. It's got a Hearst on it. I can get the original wood ball, but I just like the Hearst. It matches your hand better. It's a ergonomically much better shifter. So there you have it, Duster fans. Quick in and out, beautiful vitamin C orange, original 340 H-code Duster, all the correct little bits. Thank you very much.